Welcome to the ultimate showdown. iOS 17 CarPlay versus its predecessor, iOS 16 CarPlay. Today, we're going to dissect the key improvements that make iOS 17 the must-have upgrade for your CarPlay experience. SharePlay for the music app is a standout feature in iOS 17. Unlike iOS 16, iOS 17 allows you to share and listen to music in real time with friends during a FaceTime call. It's a whole new level of connectedness in your CarPlay environment. EV charging station improvements are a game changer in iOS 17. While iOS 16 does its job, iOS 17 brings tailored enhancements for electric vehicle owners. Get seamless access to charging information, making your journeys even smoother. Messaging gets an upgrade in iOS 17. While iOS 16 keeps you connected, iOS 17 offers a more seamless integration with CarPlay. Enhanced voice commands and notifications mean staying in touch on the road has never been easier. Siri, your trusted co-pilot. iOS 16 introduced you to Siri's capabilities, but iOS 17 refines the experience. Say hello to offline Apple Maps. iOS 17 revolutionizes navigation. Unlike iOS 16, it allows you to use Apple Maps in CarPlay without an active internet connection. No more interruptions, just seamless journeys. And of course, Siri access. While iOS 16 offered basic functionality, iOS 17 takes it a step further. Expect a more seamless and enhanced interaction with Siri and CarPlay. There you have it, the side-by-side comparison of iOS 17 CarPlay with its predecessor, iOS 16. For all the latest tips, tricks, and hacks, visit us at CarPlayHacks.com. Like, share, and subscribe for all things CarPlay.
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.